Hi, my name is Fareed Assad. I live in New York and I've been balding for almost 10 to 15 years. For the last 3 or 4 years, it's been very, very noticeable. That's when I decided to do a hair transplant, and I was quite actually at a loss as to where to go and get it done. I did a lot of my friends have recommended a lot of places in Bombay, but I did my own research and I came across New Roots Hair Clinic, and I think I made the right decision. I would like to thank New Roots Hair Clinic in Mumbai, and particularly all the staff over here. They have made me very, very comfortable. My consultation with the doctors have been very, very nice. In fact, actually, it's been very, very informative. They inform me exactly from A to Z the processes involved, right from pre-procedure, procedure, and post-procedure. I will definitely recommend this thing to anybody else who needs a hair transplant.